Hello. That was a weird way to start. Okay, hi guys. Today is the day. We are going to revamp this room a little bit. I know, I don't know if you've seen, but they used to be on my shelves along this wall, and I've moved those into the spare room. So our plan today is, one, get rid of that hook that's just chilling there that I painted over when I was younger. Get rid of this here, move this into the spare room, but we also need to move a shelf first. And then we're going to paint these purple, bluey purple walls completely white. And then, I don't want to show my fill outside, but these windows I saw on, I think, Laura's home reno vlogs or something. And we're going to try and spray paint them black. Then we're gonna do the curtains, and we're gonna spray paint all the plug sockets and the light socket too. And we're gonna paint up to this here, like we're gonna paint there. And then eventually we'll do the ceiling and everything as well. And eventually I do also want dado rails. I'm also thinking the bed might look better on this wall because the sun comes in here, so it's better to film on this wall. But we'll see once it's painted. But first of all, we need to tidy up a little bit because I need to get rid of all this stuff. Are we painting the fireplace? Should we just paint the walls first and see if we have enough paint and then paint that? Okay, so yeah, that's the plan for today. This one's got toolbox and hammer out.
Bob's the builder.
Ready to go. We got a 10-litre paint from the shop. We've got our all the bits in there, sandpaper, because so I painted this wall when I was about 15, 16 or something, and I don't know what, I think I stripped wallpaper, which is why it's like this back here. So we're gonna have to sand this all down before painting, which the boy's kindly going to do because I'm not great at that stuff, but it doesn't look great. And I think this wall will be exposed after, because the mirror, once that rail's in the other room, the mirror's going to go over there. So this wall's going to be exposed, so it does need to be a lot better. But yeah, this is the before. Let's go in the corner. This is the before. I think I'm going to leave that mirror gold, but we have an option to make it black if we want, but we are going to make this mirror black. So we're going to spray paint the edges. So we're going to take it to the garden and do that. The spray paint doesn't come until an extra couple days, so today is painting day. Yay! Okay, first I've got to tidy. Oh, it's the same hooks as the other one. Yeah. This needs sandpapering too, this side. Oh!
Jeez, that needs filler.
Should we go get filler first then?
Can do. Unless we just paint this last. But yeah, so it's
the filler needs to dry.
Yeah.
Well, this corner of the ceiling needs doing though, doesn't it?
Oh what?
That's the worst part of the ceiling. The ceiling on the other side looks fine. That one came out fine. Okay, so we just took the sign down, and we need some filler, it seems. I think the best thing to do is go get it now, because then it can dry by the time we come around to this side and paint. We're going to start on that side there.
No.
You need a bigger hole.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, fine.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's a much cleaner job than what I did before. Doesn't help that my walls are uneven, does it? Nice. Nothing better than a fresh brush.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it sinks.
Got it there.
Here, yeah.
I said, have you got it? Focus there.
Oh wow, that is thick. That's enough now. I'm mixing it with water, there's not enough room in it.
Wipes, yeah. Good.
Okay. Some water.
Yeah.
I need more than this.
What's the measurement of it?
No.
Just halfway. See.
Pour more in.
Yeah.
Still
I
big.
said that's fine enough because you don't need it to be running and dripping off the wall.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to do the others?
The roller.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not very good at this.
Come the other way. See.
Why are you not turning?
Yeah, you have to.
Why is it not
You have to
turning?
turn it.
You're going up here.
Yeah, that was a mistake.
Okay. More now. Are we doing a light coat anyway?
Yeah.
There's a bit of white on the wall. Oh, it's already splattering everywhere. You go. Okay, let it go. Am I going over it too much?
It's fine. As I say, it's just literally to get it on there. The second coat's going to be. I didn't see it could be our 2 rollers actually.
Huh? Hi guys. Oh, it looks a lot better. You were very dusty. Clean you up. There we go. So it looks a lot better already. This is coat 2 on the wall. Now, bearing in mind it was like a blue, grey. So it's going to take another 3rd coat, but I feel like we definitely have enough paint. But the skirting board, the white, these top paneling is white. And it all just looks so much better and cohesive. The boy is working on the fireplace at the moment.
Yes.
It's also looking good. This wasn't like the dirtiest looking. Like these up here looked awful before that. It made a huge amount of difference. I know that is cracked in the corner. I can't do anything about it. But yeah, coat 2. I've just done coat 2 on this wall, but all these walls have coat 2 for a while, and I'm gonna work on coat 3 now, and I think we're gonna get the painting done today. Yeah. Then the cans come, and we're gonna tackle the windows. I've also just ordered a lampshade, because that's what it looked like right now. It looks like. A bit boring, a bit dead. So something to go with the black windows. It's actually a green velvet one. Quite affordable, just something cheap and cheerful, and it will hopefully come latest early next week, which is perfect because we'll have the windows done by then also. So that's exciting, and then we also have some new bed sheets coming. I don't know what else. Did you want something else? For the room? Was there something else you wanted?
No, so we've got the vase coming. Then we're thinking about getting a plant.
Thinking about getting a plant? Yeah, we are thinking about getting a plant. That would be nice.
Black windows, we're going to do that there.
I've just washed the curtains. Oh, I didn't show you guys that, but we took the curtain rails off, obviously. And I've just washed them. They actually look a lot cleaner. I wasn't even going to plan on doing that. The boy told me it makes a difference, and they do look better. So that's that. We are on to coat 3 now. It is, what time is it? How long has this taken us?
Yeah, how long have we been going for?
I think we started at about 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And it's 4.
Wow.
That's pretty good going, I'd say. For sanding the walls down, filling some gaps, and doing 2 coats, almost floor to ceiling. So, pretty good. Look how it just looks so much cleaner. Oh my god, babe, it even looks, you can barely even see the non-white bits in the camera. It just looks white.
Perfect.
Okay, let me stop chatting away and get to coat 3. Woo! Last one. Let's go.
Go team, go!
Half an hour later, coat 3 is done. We're pretty swifty with this. I am not fully sure, you won't be able to see in the camera, I'm not fully sure if we need a 4th coat or not. I'm debating it. I don't know if you can tell. I think you can on camera actually, which shows. So you can still, to me, in my eyes, you can still kind of see the colour behind the white paint. Come on, focus. Get there. Oh, almost. There we go. Yeah, to me you can still, yeah, see that does not look white, does it?
Could be light in here. Here we say.
So I think it's better to wait for tomorrow and see how we feel.
Yeah.
And what it looks like. I don't think, there's no point in doing a 4th coat now. But that's pretty good work for today. Because to me, okay, look at how white the skirting board is. And then look at the wall.
True.
It's not white, the wall. The skirting board is white.
True. Very, very true.
You hear me? Well, I guess we'll catch up with you tomorrow and see what yes, this is what I look like, but what do you expect? I also managed somehow, even though I've got a sleeve on, to do this. I don't know. Pretty covered in paint. But yeah, I think it's best to wait for tomorrow. See what happens. I'm happy with that wall there. See, even in the camera you can tell that wall, this wall, compared to this wall. This wall is so white compared to this.
Yeah.
But is that because that's had longer to dry? Because we didn't do a 3rd coat on it?
Not too sure.
I think it's best to just wait.
Yeah, wait till tomorrow, see what happens, wait for everything to settle properly. And then plus we'll have proper natural light in them as well.
Yeah.
And then we can just determine from there if we need the...
But I see such like I can imagine what it's going to look like. I'm so excited.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the windows are just going to set it off as well. I can't wait to do that. But yeah, we shall see you guys in the morning. Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Ta-da. Evening. We need pizza for dinner. Oh, it's dripping.